Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 91 Ford F-150 Nite. With the black bumper, black grille. We did paint, the paint was coming off the hood and then on top of the fenders, so it's been repainted. This has been buffed, and then we did an X coat on it to make shine come back. So, matches pretty good. Nice interior. Shows 29,150. I would assume 129. Good running truck, short box, 4-wheel drive. This does have rust behind here. I'm not going to hide that. And then the box side's got some scratches. Rear bumper's a little bent, kind of bent down there, so that could be adjusted or put a new bumper on. There you can see some of the scratches on the box side. Not trying to hide anything, we try to show everything. And probably a bigger scratches right here. So there you can see you got a little bit of paint mismatch. So pretty neat truck though. Nite short box 4-wheel drive. Any questions? 605-695-7391.